Throughout mankind's history, vacations have always looked a bit different. But one thing's always remained the same: our love of pools. In the old days, to clean a pool, we'd rely on the good old-fashioned human scrubber. Moving along. Yes, the 1980s, where the human scrubber evolved into the pool boy. They weren't exactly professionals. But as pools grow bigger and human ambition larger, where do we go from here? Introducing the Aiper Scuba S1 Pro, one of the most elite and groundbreaking pieces of pool cleaning technology the world has ever seen. And equipped with the Aiper mobile app, you can control, monitor, and retrieve the S1 Pro with a touch of a button. And with that, I have an idea. May I? You don't have to be a historian to get with the times. Bring your vacation home into the future with Aiper Scuba S1 Pro. I give up.